Respected Professor Vashish and my dear professional colleagues, good afternoon to all of you. I am Uma from University of Hyderabad Library, and this paper, Re-Engineering Manpower in University Library, is co-authored by me and my colleague Dr. Y. Nagireddy. He is also present here. And I am working in Central University of Hyderabad since my inception. My first job was there. Then I have teaching experience from 1998. Teaching PG diploma courses, and also outside I teach. Then I have published about 16 to 17 papers, and I am now presenting this paper on re-engineering manpower in Computerized University Libraries. This is a practical paper, and this paper really attempts to compare the traditional and modern services in a computerized library. It examines the staffing formula of S.R. Ranganathan. The staff requirement in ICT environment is presented in the light of the IGM Library, University of Hyderabad. We have taken IGM Library as a case study here. Further, skills required in computerized library is presented. Finally, recruitment promotion policies are to be followed and highlighted. So according to Knowledge Commission on Libraries, objective is to disseminate knowledge as widely as possible and to facilitate optimum use of knowledge by all sectors, government and other sectors of the sectors, to ensure that people from all the sectors get the relevant information to their needs in their own language. Then, according to staff formula of S.R. Ranganathan, in 1966, he specified that classification is per day is 15 to 20 books, and cataloging 5 cards, different sequential cards, 12 books, accessioning 40 books, filing 250 cards. And in periodical section, he suggested manual manpower is 1 person for every 500 periodicals subscribed. Documentation section, 1 person for 30 research scholars or 1000 abstracts. Maintenance section, 1 person for 1500 volumes newly added and 50,000 volumes to be looked after. He suggested the ratio of 1/3 professionals and 2/3 clerical staff. So now this is a library which I have compared traditional and modern tasks. So traditionally we were doing manual ordering, preparation of order cards, classification, cataloging, sorting and filing of different sequential cards, preparing monthly list of additions and all. Modern libraries, what we do is in an automated environment, we just order the books, online ordering of the books, and retrieve, download all the bibliographical details following Mark 21 standards. We download it from OCLC or LOC, Library of Congress, and maintain library OPAC. So there's no redundancy. We can retrieve the data and keep updating it. So similarly, in periodical section, we have coded entries of periodical issues, sending reminders, manual issue and return of books, traditional tasks, collection of overdue charges, interlibrary loans, photocopying of articles, abstracting industry and referral services. These are all manually handled those days. But nowadays, updating the receipts of journals in the system, once scheduling of the journals is done, automatically remainder generation can be done. Then electronic journals and databases subscription, issue and returns of books is in circulation through the system, managing web resources, emailing of document delivery services, and ours is one of the document delivery centers identified by Inflibnet, knowledge mapping by surfing internet, report generation of various budget accounts. Then now this is a very formal way. Acquisition section, what we did earlier before computerization is everything is duplicate checking, indent preparation, receiving the books, invoicing. Many people are handling this. There may be mistakes taking place, and also damaged books have to be returned to the supplier. Accessing and processing, billing, and forwarding memos, etc. For check forwarding memos. Then actually we were having 4 professionals and 1 library attendant were posted to do all these tasks. Now in a computerized environment, duplicate checking, placing orders, everything is made easy by application software, avoiding preparation and filing of manual cards and other redundant tasks. Receipts are monitored with one-time entering of bibliographic records. One-time entering of bibliographic records saves lots of time by recalling and updating the status. The same record will update the status, and we can keep monitoring the budget once a particular particular function is being performed. Then order files will be automatically updated showing the status of the book in the OPAC so that users can have access to the status of the book. They can know the status of the book. Barcode labels serve as accession numbers and these can be printed and served as an accession register. Now magnetic labels can be fixed in the books to avoid thefts. This can be used in the circulation section. 2 professionals and 1 attendant are supposed to do this job. Now 4 professionals and 2 professionals now. So next one is before computerization in technical section, manual cataloging, classification, following DDC, assigning books numbers, sorting cards alphabetically, preparation monthly list of physical preparation of books, spine labels, due date slips, book cards. The section was handled by 4 professionals, 1 semi-professional and 2 attendants. Now after the record has been computerized, the acquisition section, whatever minimum records are entered, it is called back and through the barcode number and other needed entries are tracing parts are added. Since OPAC is maintained by the system, multiple entries and card filings are avoided. Classification numbers can be downloaded from OCLC or LOC for standardization. So 2 professionals, 1 semi-professional, 2 attendants are posted in the section. Before computerization in periodical section, receiving recommendations, placing orders with the agents, making advance payments, adjustments, receipts and all manually we were taking care, receiving the journals and entering them in the carders, monitoring receipts, sending reminders for unsupplied issues, preparing of binding lists. To take care of all these manuals, 3 professionals, 1 semi-professional, 1 library attendants were posted. Then after computerization, updating the recommendations and ordering generation through the system, it is all through the system. Entering the issues in the systems because it is already scheduling is done. And reminders generation of non-receipts and missing issues. Subscriptions of e-journals and databases and maintenance of IP addresses. Advance payments and adjustments of bills, everything is taken care by the system. Since all the above tasks are made easy by the software, 2 professionals, 1 attendant are posted. Then circulation section, this is simply issue and returns of books, what we do manually and also card filing, order cards and also book borrowers cards, reminder, fine collection, all these things for manually handling. Then monitoring of interlibrary loans, institutional membership. To perform these duties, 2 professionals, 3 semi-professional and 1 attendants were posted. After computerization, since barcode technology and handheld scanners are being used, they capture the numbers of the borrowers and also the book barcode numbers and it's made very easy with 2 professionals and 1 semi-professional and 1 attendant. Now information services. Before computerization, we were providing this CAS, current awareness service, SDAS services, referral services, supplying journal articles on request. To do this, 2 professionals, 1 attendant were posted. Since after computerization, several databases, both full text, abstracts and open access, all are available online. Now the section can be changed to the digital services section with the same strength of the staff. Then recruitment in the IT environment. Now when we recruit people in the computerized library, they need to have ICT skills. The staff should possess both hardware and software knowledge. Skills to access and organize e-resources, both online and CD format. Surfing internet. Information about various networks and consortia models. Email registration, file transfer skills. Knowledge about document delivery centers and services. Skills of digitization to some extent. Web designing and maintaining library homepage. This will come, of course, in due course when they keep learning. Maintaining good public relations. Selection should be based on, this is about recruitment, based on written test and interview, both in communication skills and theoretical knowledge. Equal chances should be given to internal and external candidates as per UGC guidelines. There should be intensive training in library management software. The existing professionals should update their skills. The library schools should incorporate the modules given by the Knowledge Commission. Ranganathan's formula shall be examined in the IT environment. So this is a model organization chart for university libraries. Thank you.